if you want to change the language on Bluesky Social, here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. First of all, go ahead and open up your Bluesky, click the three bars at the top left, and then move along to the settings, right? And you're gonna see in the tools right here, you're gonna see the languages, right? And click on it. And basically, you're gonna see the app language or primary language, and you're gonna see right here the content languages. In my case, I want to change the app language. Let's say, for example, I want to change it to India, right? I could change it to India. I'm gonna keep it in English, and as you can see, the settings will apply automatically. And here you're gonna see the primary language, right? Select your preferred language for translations in your feed, and you're gonna be able right here to change the language of, if you want to translate a post, you can translate it to your native language. All right, so basically that's a setting that you could do on your own free time. And the content languages, if you want to change the content language from English, or if you want to include content languages like English, Amharic, or Albanian, or Armenian, you could just go ahead and select the language of your of the content. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.